Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the intellectual and institutional prerequisites, formal training in quantum field theory and condensed matter, plus authorized access to specialized facilities. Once done, coordinate with facility managers and safety teams to define scientific goals and legal frameworks. Make sure to prioritize theoretical feasibility studies before any experimental planning, because the why guides the how at this stage. You will not yet handle equipment. Instead, focus on modeling target states and identifying measurable signatures that distinguish exotic matter from known phases. You then translate theory into a conceptual experimental approach without operational detail. Use computational simulations to predict observables and select diagnostics that are standard in peer-reviewed literature. Once done, iterate designs through internal review and ethics committees, making sure to document risk assessments. Coordinate phased validation. Confirm models with low-risk bench experiments and calibration data, then propose limited, supervised runs at accredited facilities. This process explains why incremental verification protects personnel and ensures scientific integrity. To complete the effort, you consolidate results into reproducible datasets, then subject them to independent analysis and peer review. This step explains why validation is the definitive arbiter of discovery. Make sure to maintain rigorous safety and documentation protocols throughout. If signals are ambiguous or inconsistent, stop further activity and convene oversight panels to reassess assumptions and instrumentation. Troubleshooting often requires revisiting theoretical models, recalibrating diagnostics, or expanding error analysis rather than trying ad hoc experimental fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.